Alright, so there was an error in my previous video and I was trying to figure it out. So I was rushing because I wanted to complete my previous video on time. So now the reason why we were not getting the predicted value was because in my while loop, after I added elements to my first list, my var1, before I computed the value of b0, I repeated it here as well. So if you notice, we were having the same results. So even though we changed the age value, because I was trying to predict the height if this person had an age of 26, and I was still getting the same results. So if you can remember from the last video, this was what we were getting. But for us to be able to get the actual prediction, we want to add this newly removed value to the second list, which is our val2. Alright, so you discover now that at an age of 26, okay, let's use one of the values inside our x. So now this was what our x was before. So I supplied, these were the parameters I supplied my algorithm to learn from, so that it can predict future values. So let's see what our algorithm is going to predict. The height of the person our algorithm is going to predict at an age of 24. So if I supply an age of 24 for this person, you will discover that our algorithm will give us something close to the data I supplied to it. So you can see we get 173.0 centimeters, 0.09 centimeters, but the value I supplied was 172.4. So there's an error of 0.6 or 5 thereabout. So there's an error of 0 point in the prediction, that is in the prediction gotten from our algorithm and the data supplied. So you can try that for the other ages. So now this person had an age of 23. Let's try and see what our algorithm would get. So our algorithm should get something close to 171 as well. If I supply an age of 23 for this person, so let's try and predict what the person's height is going to be based on the supplied value. So you can see we got 171.866 centimeters, but the value I supplied was 171.48. So you can see it's within that region. So the algorithm is very accurate and very correct. So once again, my name is Eliaza. I am an aspiring artificial intelligence scientist and data scientist. So till we meet again next time, make sure you click the subscribe button and you hit that bell notification to get notified for my next videos.